Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be refreshing the bathroom. So come out with me, guys. Now, most of the items I did purchase from the Dollar Tree, like the shower rings and the shower liner. Now, the curtain, I'm not really sure where I got that curtain from, if it was Walmart. Not sure, but we need to refresh the bathroom. So as soon as I get through hooking this stuff up, we're going to head on over to the bathroom so I can go ahead and start cleaning in there. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation, and this is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle on my main channel, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Sonia down south. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now let me get started putting these hooks on. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you when we head on over to the bathroom, guys. Now we're going to be heading on over to the restroom. So let me just show you. I am going to be using the pink stuff. I absolutely love the scent and I love the way that it cleans. So we're going to be using that. We're going to take down the old towels and we're going to put up new towels. Most of the stuff gets placed all over the place because when we're getting ready in the morning to go to school, we are not thinking about where things go, guys. And plus I have to wipe everything down, and this is a good opportunity to do so. We're going to start out by cleaning the sink. And they do have like the liquid abrasive. It's almost like using like a pasty comet. But first we're going to start out here spraying it with the multi-purpose spray. And then I use that and a scrub brush. We're going to scrub the sink down. Now, in this area here where the toilet is, I am wiping down the areas of the wall, that little ledge, and then I had already changed out the garbage, and the toilet pretty much is already clean, and the area where I have like the little plunger and the scrub brush. So that area there is clean. Now, I'm just gonna leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So I'm also using that multi-purpose spray to do the glass, the mirrors. It really does such a great job. So now it's just a matter of putting everything back, and it smells so nice in here. If you can just imagine. So let me continue. All right, so very shortly we're going to be heading on over to the reveal. I love how everything came out nice and clean. So let's head on over there. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.